Our moon, an enigmatic and close neighbor, harbors secrets and stories that continue to fascinate humans. Let's explore some of these captivating lunar facts.
Despite its appearance, the moon is not perfectly round. It's actually shaped more like an egg, with one end slightly flattened and the other pointing towards Earth.
The moon is drifting away from Earth at a rate of about 3.78 centimeters a year, which is slightly less than the length of a standard USB cable.
The lunar surface is home to mountains and valleys. The tallest mountain on the moon is Mons Huygens, which reaches an altitude of about 4,700 meters, nearly half the height of Mount Everest.
Lunar soil, known as regolith, contains tiny glass beads created by meteorite impacts, which have been there for billions of years. A common misconception is that during the moon's first quarter phase, we see half of the moon's surface illuminated. In actuality, we see slightly less, around 49%. The dark spots we see on the moon from Earth, called Maria, are vast plains formed by ancient volcanic eruptions.
Apollo 11 astronauts left a reflective mirror on the moon's surface. This mirror, which is still used today, allows scientists to measure the exact distance between Earth and the moon.
The moon completes an orbit around Earth in roughly 27.32 days, a period known as a sidereal month. Surprisingly, the moon has its own time zone, technically. It's called Lunar Standard Time, LST, primarily used by scientists.
One day on the moon, from sunrise to sunrise, lasts about 29.5 Earth days, aligning closely with its orbital period around our planet.
The temperature on the moon can reach extremes, soaring to about 126 degrees Celsius during the day and plummeting to minus 173 degrees Celsius at night.
Water ice has been discovered on the moon's poles, hidden in craters that are permanently shadowed and never receive sunlight. Lunar earthquakes or moonquakes do occur, caused by gravitational tugs from Earth, and can last for up to an hour. The moon has its own unique scent. Astronauts who have walked on its surface describe the smell of lunar dust as similar to spent gunpowder. NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO, has been orbiting the moon since 2009, capturing detailed high-resolution images and mapping its surface. The moon has a slight protective atmosphere, known as an exosphere, composed of hydrogen, neon, and argon.
Contrary to popular belief, footprints and tire tracks left by astronauts and lunar rovers won't last on the moon indefinitely, but are estimated to be wiped away after 100 million years due to micrometeorites and solar wind.
The first mission to reach the moon was Luna 1, launched by the Soviet Union in 1959, which missed the lunar surface by just 5,995 kilometers.
In the moon's gravity, a person who weighs 90 kilograms on Earth would weigh only about 15 kilograms, making movement a bouncing, floaty experience.
The moon influences Earth's tides. Its gravitational pull affects both the ocean's waters and the slight bulging of Earth's crust.
From Earth, we always see the same side of the moon due to synchronous rotation, leading many to wonder about the mysterious far side, only seen by spacecraft.
In folklore, a full moon is often associated with bizarre behavior and supernatural occurrences, giving rise to the term lunacy.
The giant impact hypothesis suggests the moon was formed after a Mars-sized body collided with Earth about 4.5 billion years ago.
Lunar eclipses occur when Earth is directly between the Sun and the Moon, casting a shadow over the Moon's surface. The Moon has no global magnetic field, but magnetized rocks on its surface suggest it once did, billions of years ago.
Only 12 humans have walked on the moon, all of them American astronauts during the Apollo missions from 1969 to 1972.
Plans for future moon missions include establishing a permanent human presence, with concepts for lunar bases that utilize the moon's regolith as building material. The moon is the fifth largest natural satellite in our solar system, with a diameter of about 3,470 kilometers, roughly a quarter the size of Earth.
Finally, the moon is slowly turning Earth's axial tilt more stable over long periods, which helps regulate our planet's climate.